Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I am going to do an unboxing. This video is somewhat connected to the video that I've uploaded about SJ Cam. This is the accessories of that, action camera. The reason why I want to take video and show you guys because I bought this from a very reasonable price and check as well if the item that was indicated on website is really true, and I want to take a look inside if it's all complete. So before we proceed, if you're new to my channel, please like this video and also subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I have a new uploaded video in my channel. So hello guys, so eto na siya. This is the accessories of the SJ Cam na bili ko. Nakaseparate kasi ito siya, nakabundle. So iba yung packaging niya at saka iba yung ibang store ang nabilhan ko nito. Okay, so let us open it and see what's inside.
Ito siya. Let us open it and see what's inside. Ta-da! Ito siya. So as you can see sa description, napakita ko na lang yung picture kung saan ko to. Napakita ko na lang yung picture kung ilan yung accessories na nakapaloob dito. I'm not going to isa-isahin kung ano man yung nasa loob dito, but I'm just going to count them if talagang 50 yung nakapaloob dito sa lagayan na to. Okay? So let us all start counting. 1, 2, what is this? Pouch. Let us disregard this first. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 22, OMG, 22, 23, 24, 24 lang, oh my gosh, 24, 20, 24, 24, 4, 25, 26, OMG, 26 lang. Ano to? 627? Ano to? Saan to? Oh, okay. Extra pala to sa ano. Okay. So, as you can see, 27 lang siya. I don't know kung alin dyan yung sinasabi ng palagay doon na 50. But 27 lang yung nakikita ko dito. My gosh. Nasaan na yung ibang piraso? Ay, nako. Talaga. Well, anyway. Ako lang, bayan. Anyway, I'll just arrange this and get back to you guys. Okay? Okay?
Okay guys, welcome back. So as you can see, binilang natin yung na accessories na kapaloob doon. And as you can see sa picture, sinabi doon ng 50 in 1. But sa pag-count natin, it's only 27, more or less. Maybe some parts, maybe may mga maliit doon na parts. Pero I believe hindi siya talaga aabot ng 50 pieces. And the reason why I, bought this accessories is dahil lang sa isang part na to, and extra na lang yung iba if just in case na kailangan ko, hindi na ako bibili. Ito kasi yung strap. Yung strap niya. Yung strap niya sa chest pag magja-jogging ako. Dito ko ilalagay. Strap. And then, lagay dito yung SJ Cam. Ito lang yung main reason na binili ko yun kasi at least marami siya, and then just in case na kailangan ko yung ibang parts, hindi na ako bibili at meron akong extra doon. Di ba? Actually, I kinda liked it kasi mura lang naman siya pagkabili ko. Ganun karaming accessories for that cheap price. I got this for 850 sa Shopee. Sa Shopee ko siya nabili. Plus, shipping fee, more or less 150, mga ganun. So, it's affordable. So I guess that's all for this video. And if you have any question, just comment down below and I'll answer you guys as soon as possible. So see you all next time and hope all of you have a wonderful day. Peace out.